from rat feces and rodent hair to insect parts, what the FDA allows in the foods you eat. While it may be impossible to remove all types of food contamination, regulators in the U.S. still maintain formal limits that companies need to adhere to. These limits reflect best practices and current technology while minimizing any potential food contamination. FDA food regulations classify such defects as aesthetic rather than a safety concern. For every item, labs will identify the presence of defects and calculate the average presence across units. If after these tests the results exceed the permitted limit, then the product is subject to enforcement or must be reworked. For tomato products, for example, the FDA sets certain limits as to how many fly eggs or tiny maggots may show up in a tested amount. If tests reveal that a batch is over the acceptable limit, it must be stopped or reprocessed and cannot be sold as is. These small defects don't pose a health risk, while foodborne diseases can be deadly. This is why preventing these infections is the focus of modern food safety, not hunting down every microscopic instance of insect pieces in food products. Most of these illnesses come from microbes that enter our food during growing, processing, or preparation. Fruit flies love ripening fruit, so the rules for tomato juice and sauces mention fly eggs or small maggots, which sound alarming. They cover worst-case scenarios, and companies invest in cleaning and sorting steps to push actual numbers much lower than the limit. Regulators allow reconditioning when a firm can prove that it understands the contamination, has a plan to remove it, and can verify success. To keep your kitchen safe, make sure to wash your hands, cook to safe internal temperatures, and keep your fridge at or below 4 degrees Celsius. Also, when you read about things such as insect pieces in food, remember that action levels keep quality in check, while your daily habits protect your health.